All right, guys, we continue. Let's mod Generals as 0 hour. We want to create the best game, most beautiful, most stable, best experience for all the strategy players. Must become best game. Last video, which for me was just a couple of minutes ago, we looked at here the DDS compression, uncompression, and I have no clue how to fix this problem. So we'll skip that for now, leave it aside. I mean, I can still use the tool. W3D view is working somewhat. Eventually it runs into crash, but okay, I can live with that. Okay, so let's open tool then. Yeah. Okay, so I want to continue with textures. Finish texture set. No, actually, before we do that, how about I stash this, then I go to develop, then I pull latest, already up to date. I think that's not quite right. Let's go to this sync fork update branch. Yes. Okay, get latest. Okay, fetch and prune. Okay. DDS fix, I think we can delete that branch. Okay, stash pop. I mean, we made a couple changes to code, so maybe we can create we can reset this one. This one, yeah, I want to propose this and this one as well. Right, so there's multiple things here. I think this we can reset. This one as well. And this one as well. Mempool reset. This one reset. And this is a fix. Okay, I think we need to fix these guys here. So let's create a branch. Fix debug compile error. And in video number 1 we had some compile errors and debug configuration, so this is a fix for it. Let's submit that. I think it was these two. Yeah. Fix debug compile error. Okay. All right, then I push this one. No, that's wrong. Yeah, push. Okay, that's the first, and now the other one. Yeah, this one. I think this was a legitimate issue. In video number 1, we have looked at this. So I will let's edit this one. Remove this line here. Save. Okay. Maybe it's written differently in the original, but at least functionally this looks much more sane to me. Okay. Let's create another new branch. Fix. What is it? Fix. Here. Fix. Okay. Remove sub object. So we call this fix reference counting in this function. Okay. Oh no, I didn't mean to submit it to this branch. Mistake. Reset current branch here. Mix. Okay. Need to first create a branch. Fix hlot class. Hlot ref counts. Okay, and then we submit it to here. Okay. Okay, let's push this as well. And then there was one more thing. Let's go back to develop branch. That's our main branch in Thyme. Then there was this one here with the operator precedence. Yeah. So I would just create a branch. Wait, let's first check the function name. Merge color. Okay. Fix merge color operator precedence. Okay. Fix operator precedence in this function. Okay, and we push that as well. No. Yeah. Push. Okay. And now we can create pull requests here. Fix debug compile error. Yeah, that is pretty straightforward. Bug fixing. Okay. And the next one. Fixing. Not sure if that's a vanilla bug or a bug. This looks original call to release ref looks wrong to me. This and this are individually ref counted. So this looks like it would leak. Let's call it single release ref. Yeah, looks wrong to me because individual ref counted. So this looks like it would leak. Yeah. Okay. Create pull requests. Okay. And then I think this is just refactoring essentially. This gets rid of MSVC warning regarding operator precedence. Creates pull requests. Good. Then this is good. Copy link. Okay. Need a proof for this because this is definitely correct. Can you please check if this is vanilla bug? Oh, it's called original. Vanilla is bad name. Original game bug. And this one. Please check if operator precedence is correct. Good. Okay, so we got this sorted for now. What do we have left over here? I don't know. Oh, god damn it. Stash. Stash pop. What do we have left over? My experiments here. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Good. Then yeah, we leave that for now. I hope we can merge those fixes soonish, and then continue investigation of DDS memory corruption. I hope that Thompson's will have the answers if he manages to look into original code, or John will. Yeah, but yeah, code doesn't look healthy here. Okay. All right, but I think for now we should concentrate here on textures. Yeah, because that's what I would like to continue and get done eventually. There's still a lot of stuff to do. Okay, so let's open project folder, game patch, yeah, optional art, textures, generate MIP, okay, and yeah, okay, so we're in the process of polishing up this texture set, cbmogdis02. Right, so yesterday we fixed here the visual discrepancies. Yeah, this looks now okay. Then I think the next question is, what about the snow textures? Do they look proper? Actually, before we do that, I did retouch the night textures, which is just lights in the windows, which are here, the windows here. These are the lights, they are blue. And I polished them to be like smaller because they draw it over the edges of the wall, which looked a bit sad. So it's not a big change, that's a small change. This one I redid. This one is also redone. Yeah, these look okay. Okay, so I think regular texture, summer texture is okay. Summer texture is okay now. We have alpha channel here. We have alpha channel here. Yeah. G. Okay, let's close all these guys here. And cbmogdis. Okay, so we want to see if the snow textures are all right. Here's SG, snow, DS, DSG, and RS. Yeah, these 6. Okay, so S is here. Fix now. What did I fix here? Oh, it's just some edges here at the top. Okay. SG. That doesn't have that fix. Huh. Actually, that does not look the same. It looks like there's dirt on the texture. Here, see? Down here, and here, and here, there's black on snow. This is dirt. So it looks like this texture is actually incorrect. This one has more pristine snow. Yeah. Okay, so we need to fix that then. Okay, but it's not a problem, I think. Over here also, this is much different. It's actually interesting that I didn't, like, so I already finished the snow polishing part on the textures, but I didn't see this problem. So clearly it pays to look at things multiple times. Like, so the first time I did not see this problem here for some reason, but I did see something here, but that's also not correct. Huh? What did I do here? Okay. Okay, anyway, we'll just fix it now. That's not a problem. Okay, but before we do that, let's look at the model in the viewer. cbmogdis02. Okay, so we look at S. Yeah, I see it looks damaged here. Dirt. SG. This one. Huh. Okay, yeah, we need to combine textures. So this is good because here the snow is on these AC vents, but here on the SG it's not, right? So yeah, you see it's quite a big visual difference between these two. It's not just the garrison, there's a lot wrong here on this transition. Okay, but we can fix it, not a problem. Okay, so the first we copy this part. This part onto we copy this part on here. This. And then we call this cbmogdis02s.dds. Yeah, so that's the original. Okay, but now we also need to, I think we can copy the fixed snow, duplicate layer, fixed snow SG. Yeah, but that's not quite right. I think up here looks good, but this one is not quite right here. Okay, but we can fix that. Up. We take this piece here and we go edit, copy, merged, edit, and then decrease. Like this. Filter, noise, add noise. Okay, I think that's good. I think maybe you can also add some noise here. Put gray there. 128 gray. And filter, noise, add noise, noise. And then we go with overlay. Yeah, maybe we can do a bit more noise. Noise, add noise. Yeah. Does that look okay? Yeah, I think that looks good. Snow is repaired. Oh, that was not quite right. What did I do wrong here? Oh. Okay, let's do different. Copy merged. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay, does it look good? Looks good. Yeah. So before, after, before, after. Looks all right. Good. Actually, it looks still a bit odd here. Let's do a bit more fixing here. Here, this line up here, that looks strange. But we can fix that with the stamping. Do like this. This. Like this. Okay. And that's fixed. Yep, looks good. All right, so I call this fix snow SG. And I think SG looks good now. Then the next thing what we can do is, first we save it. Save it. Also, we need to document what we just edited. We document every change we do. Every minuscule change, not just in textures, everywhere. Fixes, what is it? Fixes missing snow on vents, and fixes black lines in snow. Yeah. Good. Okay, so that's good. And now we also need to fix the other one. We do copy merged. And then we take this. Oh, it looks much different also down here. Okay, I think what we should do here is I think we should use SG. Ah, no. I think. Okay, there's one more thing we need to fix first. Let's also fix there's a small artifact here which we should fix here. It's not a big deal, but just something I notice. So I do like this. Yeah. Apply, merge. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay. Now I would say we copy this again and we paste it here. Okay. Call this cbmogdis02 SG merged, and then Okay, now we need to do more first to SG. We need to do more. We need to fix something here, like we did with the other regular textures. I think let's open G. Let's copy this over, duplicate layer to SG, just as a reference. This one. Copy this. Okay. Oh. This. Okay. This looks now a little bit weird here, but on the model it will look fine, I think. Okay. Remove this. Yeah. Okay, and then we expand this here a little bit. Oof. I remember that I think there is another CB. I think there's another cbmogdis house which looks very similar to this one, where I also fixed this. I remember this. It's not the first time I touched something like this, but maybe for this case, what we can do, we remove this here at the bottom, this one. Remove this. Yeah. And here, also remove this. And this. Okay. Then we take a brush and paint a little bit here. Just a little bit of paint. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think that is all right. Is it DS? DS, okay. But DS has this down here. We can probably remove that. Okay, I would say we do a little bit of fade here, floor 20. And we fix that. That looks kind of crap. Looks crap. Okay, how about we do it differently then? Okay, how about this? Do it like this. And then let's do it like this. We can remove this one here. Okay, fix snow SG. Like that. Select inverse, delete, okay. Okay, this is cbmogdis S. Okay. So this is fix snow SG. Call this lines. And now we also need to fix this transition here. It looks bad. So we do window snow. And we just take this color here. And then we paint a little bit transition over. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that's not too shabby. Maybe we can add a bit of noise. Add noise. 2%. 2% is good. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think that looks better. Okay, so we got the snow, and now, yeah, now it looks a bit more similar to here. Here is still a discrepancy. Yeah, there's a discrepancy. Okay, it looks like we need to fix more. Let's copy this again. Okay. Oh, it's not much, but there is a discrepancy. So we take this. And we take this. Like this. Oh. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so we fixed the snow here under the window barricade. Okay, now let's try to merge these. Edit, copy, merge, okay. Okay, and now we need to essentially take basically we just need to take this and this and this. Like this maybe. Yeah. Take this. This. So this is original s.dds. Yeah. Okay, up here looks good to me. That is good. Actually, maybe not good because this one is a bit darker. Can probably take this out here like this. And also here. Actually. Okay, I think that's all right. Up here at least. Okay, down here. Yeah, I think it's fine. This looks a bit weird down here, but I think it's maybe. Oops. Maybe we can paint a little bit more there. Window snow. We paint just a bit more here. Take the brush. And we just brush a little bit more over here to make it brighter. Okay. Okay. It's quite thick snow there. It looked kind of better before. This looks better. Let's. Okay, how about we do it different? We leave this. And here we do fix snow S. window. And here we take this piece and we take some darker. Like this. Does that make sense? Filter, noise, add noise. 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's too much. Seven. Okay, let's check. Ah, that looks good to me. That looks good. Very good. Good. So now we have, so basically we use SG as our base, and then we remove the window barricades, and then we fix the snow. Okay, so this makes sense. Let's save this. Now let's compare it with DS, if the damage transition looks good. Yeah. Yeah. I think here we caught this fix snow SG. Let's do it here with create a folder fix snow DS and put fix snow in there. And we call it lines as well. Lines. Okay. DSG. DSG doesn't have the lines fixed. And DSG also looks different than DS. Oh boy. DSG is brighter. Is that good or bad? Yeah, it probably should look more like DS because DS then transitions to ES. Yeah. Okay, there's more work to be done here. Okay, but let's first verify that this is all good. 200. Okay. Yeah, this looks good to me. Texture is proper. There's a bit dirt down here, but okay. That's how the original was. Right. Okay, so I think we can remove these two here. Okay, now we need to fix DS. Let's first check that the damage transition looks okay. Here is some extra snow. I think it's damage actually. I think that's fine. But here the snow, this is now different, which I think we can fix with this one, fix snow, DSG, DS, so that would be the first. Yeah, this one. And then from SG, we need to take this one, fix now SG, put that onto DS. So we put this one here and DS at the top. Oh, this is not quite right. Okay, but this one now looks proper here. This is okay. But here we got now extra line. Because I think we can fix it in a way. We say darken. No, that makes no sense. Okay, I think we just need to remove lines. how about we call this fix Windows now? And then call this snow. And then we call this one fix Windows snow. And we call this snow like this. And then we call this one accordingly Windows snow fix snow ds. Okay, and then we also go here and fix new group. Yeah, fix Windows snow SG. And we call this snow. Yeah. Okay. I think we can work with this. So basically DS is now using different layers from S and SG. Yeah. Okay. So then let's see if transition looks okay. Now, yeah, I think window looks okay. I think this looks good now. Yeah. Okay, so S to DS is good, and DS to ES is also good. We fix that here. We change DS. So let's do copy merged, and we need to replace this one here. This one. Okay, so yeah, it was probably completely different, so it was remade here. And RS also uses DS merged. So let's do one more time. Copy merged. RS DS here. Preserve. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then we just need to fix DS to DSG. Oh, there's a lot different. Yeah. The bright snow. Yeah. The bright snow. Okay, I think here we need to do it the other way around. We need to use DS as a base for DSG. So we take this and the cbmogdis02 DS merged. And then we take first this and this. And this is dsg.dds. Okay, can hide this. Okay, now we need to clean up the edges. I think first we can take this one and we go here, paste it. We need that rectangle here. This rectangle. Yeah. Okay. And this up there. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I think what we can do here is first we take this out. Yeah. here as well. Okay, like this. Okay. This can also be black. Okay, let's double check. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Okay, so DS. Yeah. I think we can remove some here. This. I think it makes sense. I think this makes sense. Actually, I see there's some discrepancy here. There's more snow. Okay, how about we take SG, and we put it here. SG, and we take this, and this, and this. Select inverse. Actually, I can take this. Select inverse. Delete. Good. I think we can do this. So basically, SG has, it looks different. You see. So maybe what we can do is we take this and then we only. No, that we can't do. Oh, actually, we can. No, we can. Actually, we can. Sorry for the confusion. So we make a copy of this one, and then we do darken this, and then we take just this darken. Let's see. There's not a whole lot of difference, but there's some difference on this one here. Yeah, I think we can do that. Yeah, good. But it's not really worth it though. Maybe just delete it. It's unnecessary. Good. I think that's good enough. Okay. Can also remove this layer here. And now let's see the diff. Yeah. 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 Okay. I think that's good enough. There's not a whole lot of damage here on those metallic vents. Is that a problem? We can take a look at the model. I don't think so. It's probably fine. Okay, then we can also look at before and after. So this is the original. This is our edit. Then let's take a look if this looks good. Let's save it. I think we also should check if there's an alpha channel here. Yeah, because on the regular texture there was also not an alpha channel. Yeah. The snow looks fine. Snow looks okay. Then for the SG, we can also add the alpha channel here. And then we need to go to G, this alpha channel, we need to merge the alpha channels. We take this, take this, take this, then lighten, and voila, there we go. This is our new alpha channel. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so this is all looking pretty good, I would say. Yeah, I mean the snow here looks kind of jank, but yeah, that's how it is originally, right? So go with that. Good. Then let's build the textures. Let's build the textures. Okay, and then let's reload the object. Okay, and okay. All right, so this we don't need to look at. So S, yeah. Window looks good. There's no reflection on the window though. Is there on the regular one? Also not. Okay. Reflection, did I note that already? Ah yeah. Do not have reflective window, but they should have. I think also G and SG as well. SG. Do the... And also the vents do not have reflection. They should have the tiniest amount of reflection. Tiniest amount. Do not have reflective window and vents. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, but other than this, I think the house looks all right. Yeah. Then let's look at SG. Yeah, SG now looks very similar. No more texture shifting, texture changes. Good. And now DS. What is DF? Oh wow, that's wild. Okay, DS is here. Yeah, DS. SDS, yeah, that's fine. And DSG, oh, there's some interesting. Okay, so it looks like a DSG doesn't have the same mesh deformations, right? So let's load that, note that. cbmogdis02 mesh W3D mesh deformation is different to, well, it just has no mesh deformations like this. Yeah. Okay, this needs to be fixed in a later stage when we do model fixes. Right now I only do texture, so model we don't yet have the proper tooling for it to edit models with ease. So yeah, I won't be doing this right now. Just take some notes as I see something. Okay, so DSG, yes. DSG, okay, but the texture itself, I think, looks good now. It's also sufficiently damaged in comparison to S, yeah. And ES probably has a huge jump in destructions, yeah. Yeah, that looks good. DS, ES, yeah, that looks nice. And RS, oh, there's something wrong with the texture here. Why is that? Oof. Yeah, okay, it uses here the SN textures, which it should not. These are the night textures. No, that's wrong. cbmogdis02 rs is using S. No, rubber SN. Rubber SN texture. It's using wrong. Yeah. Okay. And then what is R using? R is using correct rubber. Yeah, this one here. Yeah. Yeah. So R is correct, but SN RS is not correct. Yeah. Okay, but this is nothing that we need to worry about right now. Okay, so I think the textures now, the snow textures look good. So now we can look at snow night. Snow night. Snow night. Yeah. It looks like to me. Yeah. So it looks like to me the snow night is using the regular night textures. It's not using snow specific night textures, which is not okay because there's a lot of snow here which needs to be blocked. Yeah, so yeah, so we need to make a change probably. Okay, so what we can do is I already did the textures for S. No, not for regular night. Yeah. So what I will do now is first we can close a bunch of things here. By the way, I think we also need to take a couple more notes here of what we just did with our fixes. Let's do that. So we did fix SG and DSG, right? So in SG we it's missing alpha channel, right? And what else did we do? Fixes missing snow and vents. Fixes black lines in snow. Maybe we call it fixes major snow discrepancies with SG. Yeah. And then SG fixes black lines in snow. Yeah. Let's double check if we missed nothing. Fix snow. And I think we also fixed window barricades drawing over edges. Yeah. We did that. And what else did we fix? Snow. Fixes black lines in snow. Polishes. Let's say improves snow. Let's forget about this. Let's just keep it like this. Okay, SG and then DSG. What did we do there? DSG. There were a lot of. It looked very different to DSG. Fixes major snow discrepancies with SG. No, with DS, right? With DS. Yeah. DS. Okay. We can also double check again with cbmogdis DSG. And there were also the black lines, yeah. Black lines. Okay, fixes black lines in snow. We can also put that here. Okay, and then DS, what did we fix in there? DS we fixed. Yeah, the black lines mainly. Yeah. Okay, and in S we fixed the snow discrepancies with SG, yeah, and the black lines. Okay, I think that's good enough for documentation on this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're making good progress. Now I think we can get to the night textures. Yeah. Okay, for this we can close all these guys here, and we open the snow. cbmogdis. So we have this and N and G. Okay, so we create copies of these guys. Call this one SN. Call this one SNG. And this one DSN. And this one DSNG. Okay, and now we can open these bad boys. Yeah, good. Okay, so basically this one we can just copy merged, and we do like this. We put the new basis cbmogdis02 n merged. Then we can remove these two things down here. We can save this, and now basically we want to not draw the light over the snow. So to get the snow, we take this. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. We take this texture here, copy, and then we take this texture here, copy merged, yeah. And then we use a difference here. Then we merge these guys. Then we use invert and black and white. Black and white, yeah. And now we call this cbmogdis02 S and cbmogdis difference invert. Yeah. And then we can do, say, folder snow sn. Put this in there. Then we need to put this as darken. No, we need to put this as multiply. Yeah, multiply. And then we need levels. And then we can make this darker a bit. Yeah, like this maybe. Yeah. And this basically should now cover where the snow was. Yeah, roundabout. Probably need to clean up the edges a bit. So we do another layer, fix artifacts. And then we take this. And now we paint. That's 30%. And then we paint over here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that is all right. Maybe we should do a blur here. Filter blur. Yeah, to make it a bit not so harsh. Maybe. Like this. Not sure. No, let's leave it like this for now. The problem is I cannot really test it now because the model is not using the SN texture, so we go a little bit blind here. But okay. So the SN, the original SN is unused. It is there, I know this. Let me double check. SN. Oh, but it's totally wrong. Okay. But it's unused. Okay, but let's document this. It's only SN, right? So there's no SNG and there is no DSN. DS. No, it's not. Yeah, okay. So what we do is we do cbmogdis02. Yeah, so here SN okay, we can put it in here. Fix this incorrect night lights SN, and then we do the DSN, yeah, DSN and SNG and DSNG, yeah, we do new, right, because these don't originally exist. Okay, and then we take this, we do copy, merged, whoops, and we do here this one, yeah, and we call this SM merge. We merge this down. Okay, that looks good. Next, yeah, this one like this. Actually, before we continue, how about we don't make it, we don't need to make it 100% opaque. We can make it a little bit see-through, the snow. Huh. Yeah, maybe it's like this. How about this? So it's like a little bit see-through the snow. Maybe that makes sense. Yeah, let's do it like this. Why not? Okay, copy merged. Take this. Okay. And this. Okay. And this one down here. Actually, did I change the name? No, I did not. SN merge. I always put the names here when I do layers. Like if I use original DDS textures or TGA textures, then I name them accordingly. And if I take like a merged version, so something that I edited and have like, yeah, a completely new base texture, then I use the merged keyword here. So this way I know that the SN merged texture here is a base for this layer, right? So if I make changes to SN texture, then I copy paste it here into this texture as well as a base. Yeah, this is my naming convention to make sure that, yeah, they are properly in sync, and I need to carry over changes from one to the other because they, yeah, many textures share like base textures between them, right? Okay, well, we're doing like restoration, texture restoration. This is right. We're not really doing new textures much. It's restoration, and we need to do it in a way that we can understand and easily come back to it, right? Okay, so this is also SN merge. Okay, then I think this texture set is also done. So SN here, let's zoom in. Yeah, we cannot look at this right now. I cannot test it because, as I said, the model is not using these, but I think that is fine. It probably will be all right. It probably will be all right. We know that the regular night textures, they look okay, so this will probably also look okay. Okay, then I think this is done. I think documentation is in. Got some message here. John will, he has reviewed the pulls. I wonder which binary we have has the least inline version. Any idea which binary would have that? It's a hybrid of Ren and Sarge. Huh? Looks possible. Okay, so they want to find cleaner code for DDS. Johnville and Thompson's are the experts when it comes to reverse engineering original games. So, yeah, all the questions are for these guys when it comes to reversing. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see. Okay, so this one has been approved, so we can merge this one. So let's do that now. Squash and merge. Do I need to do anything here? No. Always take a moment before merging to make sure that everything is proper. But yeah, because there are different options. So like, for example, there is rebase and merge, which you can use to like preserve the commits from the pull request as you merge it onto a mainline or on the branch. But here we want to squash and merge. So we will do that. Fix debug compiler. Okay. Okay, I'll merge this one. Delete branch. Good. This is done. Okay, this one. Yeah, okay, so he says this is the way it is original, is correct to original. But yeah, I think it's wrong. I think this is wrong. And this is correct. But I'm not 100% sure, but 90% sure. Because, yeah. Okay, let's fill comments. Okay. Then perhaps this is original game bug. It would only lead to memory leak, not corruption. So it is not critical problem. Well, a memory leak is bad, but yeah, corruption would be worse. Yeah. Okay, let's call this vanilla bug then. Tag vanilla bug. Okay, and this one he says is also update branch. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, then let's also thanks brother. Okay, then we will merge this after the building is done. Okay, Maybe to help with investigation of the memory corruption, we can yeah, let's do a new branch with investigate W3D view corruption. Create branch. And there we submit this one here. Actually, I don't want to submit that. I think I would just post it this. Just post it in the chat. You can locally hit corruption. You can locally hit corruption without ASIN by putting check into code like so. C++. If this code hits, then buffer is read beyond bounds. Yeah, like this. And it's just new member set at yeah, this one. This new member for testing, for test set at this. Do this for both DXT1 and DXT5. Okay. Okay, this should make it clear how this is being reproduced. Yeah. Okay, then let's remove the branch again. Yeah. Okay, so now we want to create a pull for cbmogdis02 because I think the texture set is pretty much done. But before we do that, we need to run some more check here. Fixing textures is very complicated. There's a lot of things one has to keep in mind. So original CCG texture. Is there cbmogdis? cbmog No, not a 2, but a 3 there is. Okay. Okay. Okay, what we can do now is we delete this, the DDS, so reference textures. We don't need that anymore. DG, yeah, and these DDS. Okay, all these. Okay, how many new textures do we have here now? So 18 textures we touched for this texture set. Almost 5 megabytes. The repository grows quite large. Yeah, there's a lot of files already in. I think the textures, they take the most space. Textures, then audio, and then the next thing would be then the models. The scripts are relatively small in comparison. Okay, so that's that. Let's double check that we have documentation for 18 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, and 4 down here, they are being set in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 20 texture no, 22 altogether, but 18 as files. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think we can also say here, it's a lot wrong here with this model. SN SNG DSN DSNG are not using snow night textures. Yeah. Okay. All right, then let's open pull requests. So we have already the branch, so we can take all these files here. Stage. This tool, by the way, is called Git extensions for Windows. And I find this very pleasant to use. It's a GUI for Git. Git is typically a command line tool, but this interface for me works very, very well. There's no crashes, everything works perfectly, no errors. It's really, really nice. I use an older version already. I never upgrade it because there are no problems, and when there are no problems, I never upgrade. That's, I think that's the best, because there's always a chance when you upgrade software that there's a new error being introduced. If someone touches, like the original author of whatever software touches something, there could be new bugs. But if you have a software which runs stable, it's good. No need to upgrade. Unless you need new features, then you upgrade. But if everything is working fine, no need to upgrade. And that's the case here for this tool. Everything works perfect. Don't need to upgrade. Okay, so let's call this fix cbmogdis02 textures. Yeah. By the way, before we submit, let's actually double check that we didn't forget to remove any base layers. Sometimes I forget that. This one looks good. This one has a problem. We want to collapse all the folders. So we do that. This one looks good. This one also looks good. Yeah. This one also is good. This one is also good. This one is good. And this one is also good. 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 good, good. This one also good. This one also good, good. And also good. Yeah. All right, that looks good to me. Okay, let's open this tool again and update this one. Yeah. Okay, fix cbmogdis02. Okay, push, push. Okay, so we got that, and now we should be able to, yeah, compare and pull requests, cbmogdis02 textures, yeah, and we call this change fixes civilian cbmogdis02 textures. Labels art minor optional means that this is actually all optional content part of patch, because yeah, the texture fixes are not like needed to play, right? So all this texture work is optional. Most of the texture work. Some textures also go into core. And a civilian, okay. And now we can copy here what we have. This one, this, yeah. Copy here. And this one we call to do. And this is, so to do, I just know, like typically a to-do list would be like something has to be finished before the pull is merged. But here in this case, I just do this as like, okay, I saw this when I was working on the textures. So it's like when I later go back on fixing the models, and I can look up, oh, what notes did I already take when I did the textures, and then I can just look this up. Makes the life a little bit easier in the future, I hope. There will be a lot with the model fixes. It would be a lot. Yeah. Okay, so we got this. Create pull requests. Yeah. Okay, so that's all documented. Yeah. Okay, then what the last thing missing here is. Last thing missing is the change log. Changes log. Yeah, we document all the changes here in these YAML files. These are all the individual changes descriptions. And this is done so that we can generate change logs from all the changes. And everything is properly documented. Yeah. I mean, the hope is in the future that like it becomes like a proper product on its own, like patch for the game, but that it can also be used as a base for new projects. So if someone creates a new modification of the patch, then the patch would serve as a foundation for whatever builds on top. And I think in that case, it's good that like everything is properly organized and documented so that the next person who works on these things knows exactly what was changed and can build on top of that what the patch provides. Right? Yeah. It doesn't improve the textures, it only fixes. Okay, so today is the 11th and the pull is number 6. And now we need to copy this here. We put this here and we put fix fix, fix, fix. Fix. Yeah. We go the extra mile with documenting everything. Yeah. That's the way. Yeah, it's a bit of extra work, right? It would be faster if we would just like fix and then move on, right? But I think there is benefit to having everything documented because it also makes it easier to then see later, what was changed? What did we change, right? Then it's easier to reason about, okay, maybe we need to revert something or fix is not quite complete. And when everything is documented well, including the textures, but especially code changes, then yeah, it's always easier to go back and see like, okay, what did we actually change? How does it differ from the original? Because the original is the benchmark, right? The original says like how it is, how every player has seen the game for 20 plus years, right? That is the status quo. But the changes we make are deviating. They make the promise of not like changing the core principles of the game, but they make changes. In this case, a lot of fixes. Yeah. With textures, I mainly focus on fixing. I don't do much, like, or not at all. I don't do like reinventing the look of something. It's all fixing. Like all the textures just fix. So I don't turn a blue house into a green house, for example, right? The house will stay original look, but things will just be fixed. Yeah. Good. Then this is all properly documented. Yeah. Then we can... How long are we recording already? 1 hour 37. I think 2 hours is a good duration for a video. And of course, I expected everyone is watching. Yeah, from start to finish, every video. Now I will upload every day. I will upload 10 hours of Let's Mod 0 hour. Well, not that much. When I work job, then obviously I won't have that much time. But weekends, if I have nothing else to do, yeah, then I can do it. I can do a lot of work. Yeah. Okay, so then we can now push the YAML file as well. YAML, where is it? Here. YAML, it's all good. Yeah. Let's look at this once more. Fix incorrect night lights, alpha channel removed, like brightness, spills and artifacts. Yes. It's not discrepancies. Yeah. Good. Fix major texture damage inconsistencies. Yeah. Okay. Black lines and snow. Yeah. Window reflections. Fix this window effects. So I did that. Let's look at this once more. Where is it? So SG G. Oh, that's the wrong house. G. So here, so I painted this, right? Yeah, I don't like this much. how about we open here cbmogdis, this one. We take this, and we put this here. We move this one here, this. We take SN. Oh. SN. We copy this one here, duplicate to S. Yeah. This one we invert. We do lighten like this. Okay. Then we take this and we do it like this. Okay, it's quite pixelated. How about we blur this a bit? Filter, blur. Yeah. Yeah, we can do a copy of this. And we also make a copy of this one. Lighten, and then we do filter blur on this one. And maybe one. Yeah, okay, like this. Okay, let's compare this with the original. Yeah, it's probably better, no? Maybe a little bit. Let's put it in a folder. Alpha. I would say we can go with that. I think it's a little bit better. A little bit. Yeah, okay. I would say we can do that. Edit, copy, merged, and then we put that into the alpha channel. And then we call it a day. Yeah. Okay. Then we can delete all this. Okay. And then I think we also need to fix this one. Edit, copy, and then we put that here, and we need to take this, lighten. Yep. Okay, this, put it in there. Okay, save this, save this. Yeah, okay. Close, close, and this close without save. Okay, alpha channel is new. Okay, let's build all the textures once more so that we double check that everything looks proper, no errors. cbmogdis. Okay, this looks good, good. Yeah, beautiful. looks good to me. Okay. So then let's update this cbmogdis. We can call improve alpha channel for snow. Yeah, this. Okay, and then we add YAML, yeah, and then we push this to the origin remote, and then this is all good. Yeah. It looks good. Files changed. Let's double check. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Good. I think that is done and dusted. cbmogdis02 textures. I think that looks good. Okay. Then we can squash and merge and be done with it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's merged into main branch, this texture set. And then we can go, oops, that's the wrong one. We can go to main branch, pull latest, and then origin, fetch and prune, and then also delete this branch. Yeah. Okay, that is great. So cbmogdis02 is done. So we can continue with cbmogdis03 next time. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, John Will is looking at this. Looks like we never cloned the actual DNS loading code for the TT project. I see something in the 0-hour web XC1. I see this. Yeah, that looks very different. Okay. In our code, I see this. Yeah, our code is doing. And then multiplying it by 8 again on the next line. In the OG code, it's only doing one multiply. So an extra 16. Try moving the times 8 and times 16 bit from the two lines that set offset. Okay. Okay. I will try this. Okay, then we will have some fun here with this. Let's go to Thyme. Let's go with, we need the branch. No, wait, we can submit here first, this one. Yeah, squash and merge. Fix operator precedence, yeah. Delete. Okay, and then we go to, oh boy. We need to go to here. Sync updates. Yep. Okay. Now pull latest. Yep. Okay. Now stash pop. Okay. And now we can it's code here. Okay, so he is saying bit shift. Yeah, divide before, so it's fine. Okay, so remove this one, this 8. Yeah. and two lines. That's okay. So remove this. That's for dxt1 and dxt5. We remove this. Okay. Let's try. Put the breakpoint here and here. Okay. Okay, maybe that will fix something. Okay. Compilation is done. Good. Then let's have a look at this bullshit. Loading texture. Now the texture is black. Okay, but I think that's because address sanitizer is compiled in. I saw this before, this blackness. Let's compile out address sanitizer. So we go here to here. We comment this. Yeah. Okay. Compile. Yeah, well, it's interesting to do these videos from my side. Usually I just like work and concentrate on, yeah, the things I do without talking to myself, right? Logically. So it is a bit of a distraction to just talk as I do things. Right? But it probably becomes more natural the more I do this. And yeah, my hope is that eventually someone learns from this and maybe also gets excited about modding and maybe says, yeah, I want to help and I can also do some programming or some artwork or some scripting and easy peasy, right? I mean, after all the stuff, it's humanly possible, right? This is not magic, right? It's just something that one needs to learn and do, and the more you do it, the easier it becomes, right? It's just routine then, right? So I would say everyone who has a brain can do this stuff, but of course it requires time. I think that's the biggest factor. If one has no time for anything because they are busy enough with many other things, yeah, then that won't work. But if someone can take the time to do work on such things, then yeah, this can be done. But yeah, I understand, like most people are probably busy with family and business, work, job, commuting, or they just want to relax. Yeah, but for me, that's no option. for me, there must be time spent for polishing and fixing a 0-hour game, because we want to make best game. Yeah, 0-hour must become best game, and this is only possible with hard work. Yeah, very hard work, commitment, and of course time. Time is the biggest investment. Yeah, huge investment. I can't say how much time I've spent into 0-hour. It's ridiculous over the years. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so now we did the changes that John Will has suggested with removing this 8 here. Let me double check that actually the way he meant it. Yeah. Yeah. From the 2 lines that set offset. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then let's try this. I expect that the textures will now draw with async compiled out. I don't know why with async the textures don't draw. It could be another problem in the texture code, but I don't know. Okay, so the texture draws now. Debug, breakpoint is not hit. That's good. Yeah. I think a MIP level works or not. It's hard to say. Yeah, it looks like it becomes blurry here. See, here in this transition. Maybe it's probably very hard to see in the video playback, but as I watch here, it looks like it does a MIP transition. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah. Okay, so I will say now, so far so good. Async hit plus breakpoint hit is gone. Textures draw. Map levels maybe work. I will observe. Yeah. Okay. All right, but I think we are done with this video. We are almost 2 hours in. I hope that was somewhat enjoyable. Yeah, I think we made a good progress. John will figure out how to perhaps fix the problem, and I fix the cbmogdis02 texture set. Okay, good. Then yeah, I think we can cut it here now, and the next video will probably follow very, very soon, because the day is still young. It's just 12 o'clock now, midday. Maybe I go for a little bike ride and then continue the carnage. No, I also need to cook lunch today. Wash some clothes. So there's a little bit of stuff to do today. Well, it's okay. I will get done more, I think. Yeah. For 0-hour, we need to make time. Yeah. Let's mod the 0-hour best game, most stable experience. Yeah, that's the goal. All right, guys, and have a good day. Until next time.